Get ready to immerse yourself in musical bliss with your very own pair of BoAt Airdopes 190. To power on the device, follow these steps. Simply open the lid of the charging case. Our IWP Insta Wake and Pair technology enables the earbuds to power on automatically, get connected, and enter into the connection mode. To connect your device to your phone Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth functionality on your phone media device and scan. Search for Airdopes 190 and pair accordingly. Congratulations! Your earbuds are now successfully connected via Bluetooth. To use your earbuds as mono solo, follow these steps. Simply take out either left or right earbud from the charging case. Congratulations! You are now using mono solo mode. To charge your earbuds, please insert the earbuds back inside the charging case in correct orientation. The earbuds will automatically switch off and enter into charging mode. For charging the case, plug one end of the provided cable into the case and the other end to a computer wall adapter, power bank, etc. Your Airdopes offers some basic functions as follows. Single tap either earbuds CTC to play or pause music. Long touch the right earbud CTC for 3 seconds to activate the beast mode for low latency gaming experience. Long touch the right earbud CTC for 3 seconds once again to turn it off and return to standard music mode. When playing music, double tap the right earbuds CTC to skip to the next song. When playing music, double tap the left earbuds CTC to return to the previous song. Single tap on either CTC to answer an incoming call. Double tap the CTC on either earbud to end reject call. Long touch the left earbud CTC for 3 seconds to activate voice assistant. RENX environmental noise cancellation tech algorithm cancels out the background noise so that you can be heard crystal clear via voice calls. One need not activate ENX as the 4 mics are already equipped with the same and activated by default. Perform the factory reset in case you face any difficulty while operating your Airdopes. Note: before performing reset, clear Airdopes from pairing device history by forgetting device. Take out both the earbuds from the case. Long touch CTC on both the earbuds for 5 seconds. Place the earbuds inside the case and wait for 5 seconds. Open the case and perform a fresh connection attempt. Congratulations! Your Airdopes 190 has been reset. If the touch controls don't seem to respond after long usage, residual stains and perspiration can affect the touch control area. Please use a pogo pin or cotton swab to clean the earbuds and use a microfiber cloth to clean the control areas to avoid precipitation. Also clean your charging case.